8 tips to install Innoline like a pro. Tip 1. Prepare it right. Install Innoline on the full roof deck without any battens or debris. Tip 2. Perfect the overhang. Keep the overhang at the eaves to a maximum of 2 centimeters. Tip 3. Respect the gaps. You can leave up to 10 centimeters at the top of the roof and 4 centimeters at the sides. The finishing elements will cover it. Tip 4. Overlap, don't cut. To avoid cutting, you can increase the horizontal and vertical overlaps. Tip 5. Fasten on top. Always fix at the crest of each corrugation, perpendicular to the sheet. Tip 6. Tighten correctly. Tighten until the screw is flat against the sheet, then stop. Tip 7. Overlap before fixing. Overlap each sheet before fully fixing it. Tip 8. Get the edge right. Install the wider part of the verge trim on the roof, so it covers a full corrugation. Now you are a DIY pro.